the amazing, please welcome Miss Alexa Ilahan. Hi, love. Let's do it. I could be the twist, I wanna make you stop. The icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, we can find some space. I could be the world to you, just a piece. The extra sentimental, not the chemistry. Some people make it hard, for me that isn't okay. Your best friend, I can come and start again. A satellite ain't been that far. I kinda wonder where you are. Already know I can leave it alone. Oh my mind. Alexa's such a talented young lady. Parang pareho tayo because we've done singing. Nagsa-stage din po si Alexa with Walang Aray. She's done movies, she's done TV, pero sana hindi ka mana sa akin sa love life.
What's the Lord?
No, but she's my daughter first. Nasaan ka, Elisa? Alam niyo ba yun? Okay. Ilang taong ka nun? Baby.
Anong taon po kayo?
Hindi ko na alam mo. Huwag akong tanungin mo. Kasi may memory lapse na lola mo. Siguro mga 2013? Oh, 11? 7?
Pakigugil nga po.
So yun, basta ganun, matanda na kami. Tapos, and after that, we did Bagito.
Oo, Bagita.
Sa Bagito. Memories, correct. Tapos nung Bagito, ang role ko din, nanay na, ano yun, palaging, ano ka? Strict. Kasi ikaw, pasaway ka. Kasi gusto mo
Magka-love lang.
Oo, nung time na yun. Tsaka parang naging totoo. Huwag na natin balikan. Ayaw natin, positive lang tayo. Happy lang tayo.
Happy naman ako.
Happy ka?
Yes, happy
Oo.
ko.
So, okay, ano daw ang nakalagay doon? Anong goods advice of love? Ako talaga tinanong.
No, because madami po kayong masishare na wisdom sa akin.
Okay.
Or ano na, beauty tips.
Hindi, magpaganda ka lang. Hindi mo kailangan mag-prove ng anything because if you build it, they will come. yung mga manliligaw mo, I'm sure will line up. But then, you have to kumbaga, buuin mo ang sarili mo. Right? And you have a fantastic career ahead of you and you're a lovely lady, you're smart, you're talented. And your mom will, I'm sure, give you all the advice also.
Miss A, bakit parang birthday ko? Baliktad, ikaw.
Ganun yun. Kailangan, two-way, di ba? Pay it forward.
I love you. But
I love
I
you.
also want to say, of course, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, my mom. And, you know, when I look at you, you make me look forward to the future.
Aww.
Because I have the chance to be just like you.
Aww.
I love you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Alexa. Thank you. We don't see each other often, but I always message her on Instagram.
I love you. I will leave you to it. I'm sure they want you all to themselves.
No, thank you. Alexa, I love